call me when I'm tripping anyway. You know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. Them bitches ain't gon' give it to you, right? Why you wanna play with me? You know I'm undefeated. A real high girl, know how to.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Barbie. Yeah, it's your girl Barbie. Yeah, it's your girl Barbie. And I'm back with another video for you guys. So after I posted my weight loss journey, people have been asking me, girl, I'm hearing of this keto. What do you eat? What do you eat? Do you starve? Are you eating this? Are you eating that? Well guys, I am going to show you guys what I eat in a day. And here we have strawberries, because I love strawberries. We have Greek yogurt and we have eggs. Now this is my typical breakfast. I'm going to take you guys in like throughout what I eat in a day. Now for breakfast, I always have eggs because I love me some eggs. So my egg, you can see I already have like so much egg pack. I'm using 2 eggs this morning. For my eggs, I use olive oil, and this olive oil contains vitamin E and vitamin F. So that's the vitamin F. So guys, you can see I'm already out. Like olive oil is the best oil. Now guys, if you are in Nigeria, like I love eating pap in the morning. When I was in Nigeria, pap as breakfast was my food. So going on keto and not really having like something to eat for breakfast was really depressing for me. So that's when I discovered keto. So I'm going to put my keto in the bowl. And this will serve like my custard or you know whatever you want to think it, like my pap on stuff. Guys, this is what my breakfast looks like. It's very yummy and it's very enticing. Now it's time for me to snap it for the gram, and I'll see you guys when it's time for my lunch or my snack, and that's in the next 2 hours because I divide my eating on like 2 hours each for my 8 hours, and then I will not have to eat. So see you guys. Peace.
2 hours later.
I think I should mix the seasoning. Yeah. This is pepper. I love really spicy food. Then salt. Like I said earlier, being on keto diet has taught me that you don't really need to use much of like what seasoning cubes. That's what I'm trying to say. So that's it. My oregano, basil, and yeah, a little bit more pepper. Because yeah. So I carried the fish and I'll just mix it inside here. Wow. I'm trying to slice this up. I'm just going to like debone the whole thing. And the next thing is I'm going to carry mayonnaise, and I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of mayo. I'm going to use like half a tablespoon of ketchup. So it's like a sandwich. I've got my cabbage and my chicken. Now I'm not going to eat now just because I'm cooking now doesn't mean I'll eat now. It takes longer to prepare dinner. I think we all know that. So I'm going to spice this up. I try to not hurt the leaf. See, one. Boiling water. I'm going to add water to the pot, and when that water is boiled to some, like let's say 5 minutes, I'm going to add my cabbage and soak it for like 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, that is it. I know it looks burnt, but trust me, it's the flavors according to me. So I'll be back when everything is Gucci. Molding this. This is my mixture of mayo and ketchup. Whatever sauce you like, use it. This is what the cabbage looks like. So I will just fill it in, just like if you're doing a shawarma. Let me do the taste. Let me test it for you guys. Guys, it's sweet. Thank God I discovered this method. So guys, this is what my dinner looks like. I know it doesn't look most presentable, but it looks really nice. Like if you see inside here, you can see different meat and everything. So guys, that is it for my video. I'm done for the day. And I hope you try the recipes, you know, and try. You can eat it for a week, for a month, for days. Typically, this recipe, if you try every day, you are literally on ketosis. Probably remove the Greek yogurt, not have Greek yogurt every day, except you're having plain Greek yogurt. But I still don't advise you to have Greek yogurt every day, but that's your choice. And I'm going to show you guys what I eat in a day, probably next week, so that you guys and I can join together to keep each other updated and informed, so that you don't quit and I don't quit. So guys, so make sure you follow me on my Instagram, Barbie_on_keto. That is the page I post most of what I eat on keto, and who knows, like you might see some of these meals there, so make sure you go and follow. Hey, so enough of the rambling, because I'm feeling myself today. Guys, and I come to you guys looking all natural, but did you expect me to come with a beat? I couldn't come with a beat. So guys, make sure you continue to be subscribed to my channel in case I post another what I eat in a time, guys. So if you have any question, actually put it in the comment section, so that when I'm posting my next video, I can answer your question on keto. So guys, right now I'm going to go and have my meal with some green tea and just chill and watch Netflix, because when I'm flexing and chilling, then immediately I'm done eating, I'll drink water, stay for a few like 20 minutes, and then I will go to my Zero app and log in that my fasting has started. And then guys, I'll continue the same cycle tomorrow and whenever. See you guys, I love you. Remember to stay bold, to remember you're beautiful, and consistency is key. I love you. Bye bye.